Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up, guys? Here we have a 2014 Nissan Versa we're going to be working on today. If you need any parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. To pop open the hood, down here on the left is a little lever that has a hood on it in a car. Just pull on that lever, pop the hood. A washer fluid is located right here. And pull the cap off like that. You can add our washer fluid. Till it's full. You can put the cap back on, lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.